It's the e-bike cultural scene, people in Los Angeles. You got customized mini bikes. Very customs today, a lot of customs today. All right, so here it is, MX650 customized, 200 amp controller, 72 volt battery, and 3000 watt, 6000 peak mid drive. And it's freaking hauls ass. Hauls ass. Look at the badass freaking tires too. Love it, love it. Just a sweet little machine, you know what I mean? It actually has, I don't know if you can see it, it's got a rear tail light. It's got some hanging balls. So this is the Aerial Rider 52 volt. How badass is this? Yeah, there you go. That's slick, yeah.
That's a really
Very
nicely
cool.
modded out.
I like the white walls, man.
I should have cleaned it, man.
Look at this shit, people. All about customization. Are you serious? It's nuts. Everybody's pimping. Oh, this might just be an Onyx.
They just sprayed it in.
I got some Onyx.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Is that an Onyx? Oh, Bobby, right? Is that the Onyx? Kevin.
Yeah.
What, and then you just, man, it's freaking slick looking. I'll tell you.
I haven't seen you in forever, man. How are you?
Dude, it looks like a whole new category of bike, you know what I mean? This is an Onyx RCR,
Thanks, man.
and he just pimped it up. This man lives in a van.
It used to be an Onyx RCR.
Oh, is that right? Yeah, it feels like it. It does. They cut a whole a V out of it.
Like completely.
Anybody else want some cartridges?
Badass headlights.
right here would want one.
And then, look at that, people. It's another freaking Onyx RCR. He's got Bob Marley on it. So that's design, people.
Only use them if you have a removable battery in your bike or a small board because they don't like big bikes or scooters inside. So, yeah, first stop, Signal Hill. Remember that.
Nice. Look at this guy with the yellow. You can't see him. Those are yellow freaking spokes. Ian. It's all about style, people. Look at that city.
I remember seeing this